We will now choose the correct explanation for the fundamental theorem of calculus, which is used to evaluate the definite integrals. So in A, we have let f be a continuous function on a comma b to evaluate definite integral of f using the fundamental theorem of calculus. Find any derivative of f. This is not correct because we should find the antiderivative of f. So we can ignore this option. Now let's move on to the option B. Here we have the same explanation, that is let f be a continuous on a comma b to evaluate the definite integral of f using the fundamental theorem of calculus. We find the antiderivative of f and call it as f. This is correct. Then compute f of b plus f of a. Here we do not calculate the sum of f of b and f of a. We should basically find the difference. So this is not correct according to the fundamental theorem of calculus. Now let's look at this option C. So we have the similar explanation in the beginning. To evaluate the definite integral of f using the fundamental theorem of calculus, find any antiderivative of f and call it f. Then compute f of b minus f of a. That is, we can write this the difference in the values of f between, this is capital F, between the upper and lower limits of integration. And this is written mathematically: integral from a to b, the definite integral of f of x dx, and this equals f of b minus f of a. And so this is the correct explanation for the fundamental theorem of calculus, which is used to find the definite integral of f of x from a to b. And so we choose this option C, which is correct.